In this video, we will explore the uptime command in Linux. The uptime command is a simple and quick way to find out how long your system has been running, along with some basic information about system load. Let's dive in and see how it works. The uptime command displays how long the system has been running. It also shows the current time, the number of users currently logged in, and the system load averages. To use it, simply type uptime in your terminal. Let's see an example. When you run the uptime command, you'll see output similar to this: 14 hours 23 minutes, 18 seconds up 3 days, 2 hours 25 minutes. For users, load average 0.52, 0.58, 0.59. Let's break down what this output means. The first part shows the current time, which is 14 hours, 23 minutes, 18 seconds. Next, up 3 days, 2 hours, 25 minutes indicates how long the system has been running since the last reboot. For users tells us how many users are currently logged into the system. Finally, the load average numbers 0.52, 0.58, 0.59 represent the average system load over the last 1, 5, and 15 minutes, respectively. Let's take a closer look at what these load averages mean. Load average represents the average system load over a period of time. It shows the number of processes that are either running, ready to run, meaning waiting for the central processing unit, or in uninterruptible sleep. On a single core system, a load average of 1.0 means the central processing unit is fully utilized. On a quad-core system, a load average of 4.0 means all cores are fully utilized. If the values are consistently higher than your central processing unit core count, it indicates that the system is overloaded. If the values are below your central processing unit core count, it indicates available capacity. Keep in mind that load averages are shown for the last 1, 5, and 15 minutes, giving you a sense of how the system load has been trending. The uptime command comes with a couple of useful options. The first is the pretty format option, specified with the flag P. Using the command uptime P will output only the uptime in a more human-readable format, without the load averages. For example, it might show up 3 days, 2 hours, 25 minutes. The second option is to show the system boot time, using the flag S. The command uptime S displays the exact date and time when the system was last booted. For example, it might show 2023-05-15 12 hours, 05 minutes 32 seconds. Another way to view load averages directly is by reading the /proc/loadav file. The command cat/proc/loadav will display the 1-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute load averages, along with the number of running or total processes and the last process identification number. In summary, the uptime command is useful for quickly checking how long your system has been running. It displays load averages for the last 1, 5, and 15 minutes. It also shows the current time and the number of users logged in. This command is very useful for quick system health checks. Some useful options include the P for pretty format and the S for boot time. Load averages can help you identify system performance issues. Here are some related commands you might find useful. The top command is an interactive process viewer with a system summary. The W command shows who is logged in and what they are doing. The top command is an interactive process viewer with enhanced features. This concludes our discussion on the uptime command. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.